Men frequently ask me, what can I do to look a little better, but I don't want to look different, because they've seen facelifts that they feel like ladies have had. And it's a whole different thing when we're operating on a man. Men tend to have a T-shaped brow, and women have a arch in their brow. So we want to have that masculine look for a male. We also don't want to have high cheekbones and narrowness in the bottom. So we want that strong jawline. And so the important thing is to keep those natural features. The way I do it at Oculus is by rebuilding the face from the inside out. So I'm loosening some ligaments that I can reposition and rebuild the natural tissues, but I'm not stretching the top so they look unnatural. Also, I'm able to avoid scars. So the things people don't want, they don't want scars on their face. They don't want to talk to somebody and they're looking at their ear and it's distorted and it's bent, and their chin has irregularities. That's all from old school facelifts. The technology is such that with lasers and with endoscopes, which are lighted cameras, I can do all of this from the inside out and avoid all the telltale signs of a male facelift. So if you want to look like yourself and look masculine, but just look a little rejuvenated, come to Oculus.